Hi everyone, today we'll be seeing MongoDB CRUD operation. Let's switch to my files. This is the place where I kept my MongoDB, which is C drive, program files, MongoDB. You switch to your um, area where you have saved your MongoDB and just go for server 6.0 bin. In bin you can see the MongoD and MongoS. Click here on the path and type cmd. We have successfully opened our command prompt with the path of MongoDB set already. Go for MongoD, which will initialize our server at the port 27017. This is the normal general port for all the MongoDB servers. Next, in order if you don't have hyperterminal, for my convenience, I'm using hyperterminal. If you don't have, no problem. Go to the files and go for the shell. We have to install shell. Click on and click up to bin. Again, click on the path here. Type cmd. It will again open. It will open the shell prompt with the file. The file path is already set. And now type mongo sh to initialize our shell. Now I'm not using this now. So I'm just exiting from this. Let's switch to hyper. I'm increasing the font. Type mongo sh here. We have connected to the shell successfully. In order to show what are the databases we have in MongoDB, use this query show DBS. Wow, we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 DBS with 6 database already. Let's create one new database. For that, use database name. We can give supermarket DB. See, we have successfully switched to DB supermarket. Now we have to create a collection in order to access this supermarket DB database. So for that, the query is db dot collection name. Since we are using the stationery products, we'll create stationery as our collection name dot insert one. Let's insert the name of the product is pencil, and then what it can have a price of say 5 rupees. See, we have created a database under with the name supermarket. Then we have created a collection under the name stationery by using the query dbstationery.insert1, and we have inserted pencil item to this stationery collection which is under the database supermarket. We can not only insert only one item in our database, but we can insert many items. For that, the query is db.collection name, which is stationery.insert many. Insert many. What I'm going to insert is name is eraser, eraser, and price be 5 rupees for this. Next, name is sharpener, and its price be say 20 rupees. Oh my god. Then we can insert Sharpener. What else is there? Scale. Scale. Come on. Here I see for price. And its price be 15 rupees. Then at last we can add name can be fountain pen. Price of it be say for 50 rupees. Okay. We have successfully inserted many items with this query db.stationery.insert many and the series or an array of all the items which we have to insert. We have successfully inserted, so the acknowledgement is true. Under this is the index, this is the ID, object's ID. What a very big ID name. Next, so in CRUD operations, we have created a database, supermarket DB, and we have created a collection, and then we have inserted many items here. So CRUD operations, create operation is over. Next, we have to move to find or read operation. So for that, the query is db dot stationery. Stationery is nothing but the collection name, and we have to find. Is it find? Um, so in this, what we have done is db dot collection name, which is a stationery. We are going to read all the items under the database supermarket db. Now, yes, we have see there are five items listed under the stationery collection: pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, and fountain pen. In order to particularly read any one of the items in this collection, we can use db dot stationery dot find one query. So we are going to find the pencil. See, the pencil we have, it has listed down here. It has the object ID, what 644, such a big ID, and the name here is pencil, and its price is 5 rupees. So we have successfully found or read our items in this collection stationery under the database supermarket DB. Next, we can move on to updation. For that, db dot stationery stationery, right? Yeah, stationery db dot stationery dot update one. We can update one item now for now. The item which I am going to update is mm, sharpener, because the sharpener rate is 20 rupees. Such a big amount, we could not afford it. So name is sharpener. Now we are going to set a value that we are going to change in the for the sharpener. So for that, dollar set. What we are going to set? The price. Prices, let it be 5 rupees. I'm just closing. Okay. So we have successfully updated our sharpener with price 5 rupees. So acknowledgement is true, matched count is 1, and the modified count is 1 since we have changed the price of our sharpener to 5 rupees, and that's it. Next, in order to update a wide range of items in our database, we have to tap to db.stationery dot update many, no? Update many, which is, let's set price of our the price items should be changed to set should be changed to say 10 rupees. So 10 rupees. I'm closing the brackets correctly. Yes. What we have done here is db.stationery, our collection name. We are updating many items which has price 5 rupees to change its values to 10 rupees. Now let's check whether it has updated or not. Stationery dot find. See, the pencil's rate, eraser and sharpness, all its value has changed to 10 rupees. In CRUD operations, we have completed the creation, reading operation, and the updation operation of a single item and many items. Next, we are going to see about the deletion operation. In order to delete a single item from our database, db.stationery, which is a collection name, dot delete one. What I'm going to delete is, let's delete our sharpener. Sharpener, it has the name, key value pair name. Successfully, we have deleted one item from our collections. Let's check out whether we have deleted our sharpener. See, pencil eraser is there, but no sharpener. Scale and fountain pen is there. In order to delete an entire items in the collection, we can use db.stationery dot delete many items. Just leave this blank. Leave this blank. So we have successfully deleted 4 items. See, 1, 2, 3, and 4 items is completely deleted. If we find anything, nothing is present in our collection stationery. Now we can delete our collection itself. How we can delete is simply db.stationery dot drop it. So we have successfully drop out our stationery collection. If we tap to see if any collections present in this supermarket DB, no collections is present. So we have successfully deleted our collection stationery. Now, if we want to completely eradicate of our supermarket DB, which is the database, the query is db dot dropping out our database, right? So db dot dropping out our database, dsc db drop database. If we enter successfully, we have dropped supermarket data. It is giving an acknowledgement as true and 1. Now, if we go for show DBS, we could see our supermarket DB is not present in this list of our DBS. That's it. The CRUD operation for MongoDB is over.